Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get verified on Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen and tap on settings. Now go to the accounts option and there you can see an option named request verification. So tap on it and then before you can request verification, you must note that submitting a request for verification does not guarantee that your account will be verified. So, in order to request your verification, enter your username, full name, your known as name, your category for your account. Then, you'll have to attach a photo of your ID, and once you've filled out all of those, tap send, and then you'll have successfully requested Instagram for your account's verification. And after your verification has been approved from Instagram, the verification badge will appear next to your Instagram's account name. That is how you request for verification and get your account verified on Instagram. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.